Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. First, let's cover a soft reset, perfect for minor glitches or if your watch feels sluggish. Simply press and hold the control button, located on the top left, for about 15 seconds until the screen goes blank. Release the button, then press it again to power your watch back on. This quick restart often resolves many small issues without losing any data. Next, we'll tackle a factory reset through the menu, which erases all user data and settings, returning your watch to its original state. From the watch face, press the menu button, then scroll down to Settings. Select System, then Reset. You'll see options like Delete Data and Reset Settings. Confirm your choice, and the watch will begin the reset process, taking a few moments to complete. Sometimes, your watch might become completely unresponsive. In such cases, a hard reset using a button combination is necessary. To perform this, simultaneously press and hold the Control, Menu, and GPS buttons. Keep them held down for approximately 25 to 30 seconds. The screen will eventually go blank, and then you can release the buttons. This forces a complete system restart, often resolving frozen screens or severe software issues. Finally, let's discuss when to perform these resets and some important considerations. A reset is ideal for troubleshooting persistent problems, preparing your watch for sale, or after a major software update if issues arise. Always remember that a factory or hard reset will delete all personal data, including activity history and custom settings. Consider backing up any crucial information before proceeding with a full reset to avoid losing valuable data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.